going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2015 Ford Explorer, and we're gonna program an additional key for this truck SUV. So what we are gonna use is the Maxi IM608, and for this I have pre-selected the car. I'm gonna select the immobilizer status scan, and we have to open the switch with the key we want to program. It will not start. Let me show you. It will not start, and we're gonna hit scanner. We're gonna scan the whole system, and then since it's not all keys lost, we're gonna select add key guided, and we're gonna press this one. We're gonna start, and this procedure is not gonna raise any key. We press yes, and it's gonna take 10 minutes to access the system. And as you can see here, I have the used one. The reason that you're changing this is because it doesn't work actually the button broke and they want a new one. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes. Once we are in the system, we can add the key and make the key start to the truck. Alright guys, so the 10 minutes have been done, and we have here a message, learn keys 2. We're gonna press OK, and it's gonna learn the key, and we hear the doors cycled. And we have now 3 keys already learned. So it was successful. It says if you want to learn another key, we press no. And now we're gonna test the remote. And let's turn it on. And there you go. So this is how you program the key on this Ford Edge 2015. I hope you liked the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, like, and turn on notifications so you can get updated with every video every week. Alright guys, you fix out. Bye.